fire. Frag out.
Frag out. Look out, grenade.
Frag out.
Look out, grenade. Reloading.
Fire.
Nuke the clock. You got bamboozled.
Hostile close.
Reloading.
Reloading. Whole squad stay.
Unspotted. Taking fire. Just giving my shields a recharge.
Reloading.
New kill leader. Go on, watch out. Yeah, level 5.
Last squad.
Unspotted. Taking fire.
I am taking fire.
Recharge.
Thermite grenade out.
Slow, Wraith.
Thermite grenade out.
Shooting.
Reloading.
Reloading. Just giving my shields a recharge.
Going to phase.
Reloading.
Slow,
Enemy
slow.
down. Unspotted. Taking fire. More enemies
Contact
down.
with target.
Look out. Grenade. Reloading.
Attention. Kill leader. A leader has been appointed. You are the Apex champion.
So you always got to pay attention to those little things. And you know, I've got to figure out my scale factor. So I got to look for a pair. I look for a pair of side links where I know both the shorter and the longer one. And I think that's right here. I see 15 and its partner 25. Okay, so I'm just going to make a note of this, that my scale factor, let's see, put the first number on top. So that is 15. Put the second number on the bottom, 25. And you know, I bet these numbers can reduce. 15 is divisible by 3. And 25, oh, I'm sorry. 15 is divisible by 5. 5 times 3. 25 is also divisible by 5. 5 times 5. So our scale factor is 3/5. That's probably going to be very helpful for me when I do this problem. Okay, so let's get started. It looks like we need to find two variables. I see x over here, and I see y over here. So we have to solve for both of them.
Got an extended energy mag right here.
All right. Well, let's start with x. So in this case, the smaller shape was first. So x over 35.
Kill leader.
Okay. Equals x over 35 equals 15 over 25. But what's really nice is I knew from my scale factor that I don't need to write 15 over 25. I can just reduce it automatically into 3/5 or 3/5.
Taking fire. Reload.
I downed an enemy.
Cool.
This time I'm down.
Okay, now it looks to me like we are going to do a little bit of cross multiplication, and I feel like these numbers might get a little bit large, so I've got my calculator here just in case I need it. So x times 5, that will be 5x. And then 35 times 3. You know, I believe that's going to be 105.
Come on, come on, come on. Bad guys, let's do this.
Setting shield, healing ya.
Okay, now I need to divide both sides by 5. You can use your calculator if that helps you. I think I'm going to be okay though.
I'll pick you up, Silver.
X equals, oh boy, that would be 21.
Reloading.
Recharging my shields.
Awesome. So you know what? We got one. We got x equals 21.
Unspotted. Taking
Wow, some of you are fast. Some of you already think you know the answer to y. Okay, yo, y is going to be tricky. Y Y is going to be a tricky one.
Fire in the hole!
But yes, excellent work. X equals 21. Now, if you'd like to try out Y on your own, please do so. You can try it and you can post it in the chat. I know that this one is a little tough though, so I'll be giving a little bit of support if you're not quite confident yet. But if you want to, feel free to work ahead. Okay, so now we have one variable left, and that is Y. So, you know, I have my choice. To make the scale factor, I can do 15 over 25, or now that I know X is 21, I can do 21 over 35. It doesn't matter because they will both reduce into 3/5. That's why the scale factor is so nice to know. It really helps us out.
They're not getting... Charging on my shields. Enemy
So, you know,
right here.
I'll just start by doing, okay, do the little one, which is for 12, since the little triangle was first,
Reloading.
and then the bigger part, which is 12 plus y.
Amigos, let's go here.
Okay, now we got a lot of stuff going on here in the denominator, but don't let that scare you.
My shields are recharged.
Equals, and you know what? I just realized it doesn't matter if I do 15 over 25, or if I do 21 over 35, no matter what. It's going to be 3/5. So I'm just going to cut straight to the chase and just put 3 over 5.
So you got to go and get the
Okie dokie. Oh boy, we're going to need to do some distribution here. I think I can tell. So I have 3 times the quantity of 12 plus y equals, and then 12 times 5, that would be 60.
Last member's down. Quad closer.
Charging on my
So there's a little bit more work I need to do here, but that's okay. We've been practicing this. 3 times 12 is 36.
Un momento.
3 times y is positive 3y, and that equals 60.
Hold on.
So
use
let's
the
see
tools.
if I can figure out what y is. I'm going to take away 36 from both sides. Okay, that gives me 3y equals 24. Oh, I think I see it. Y is going to be 8. Yep, yeah, y is 8. Nice. Yo, some people actually figured out that y equals 8 really early in the chat, so I'm impressed. If not though, yo, no worries. Looks like y equals 8. And remember, if y equals 8, that's going to make this whole
I
thing
need light ammo.
into 20. Just letting you know. So it's not 12 and 8. That wouldn't
Optics
make
here.
any sense.
Plus range.
It's 12 and 12 plus 8. So 12 and 20. Yeah, fantastic work.
They spotted me. I'm taking shots.
Okay, we got time for one more.
Need to recharge my shields.
This is a pretty quick one, but it serves a very, very special purpose. Any questions before I move this down? I got something I'm voting on. There we go.
Hitting the eject button.
Okay, cool. Nice job, everybody who was guessing that y equals 8. Nice work.
Come on, compadre, get up.
Let's
Come on,
move
come
on
come
to our last example. This example, the numbers shouldn't be too hard. Example 2 had the hardest numbers, but if you look at example 3,
It's go time.
sometimes what happens is they do not give you the shapes in a way that's coordinated. Look at this. They rotated or they flipped the smaller shape. They did something to it so it doesn't match up perfectly. So in our heads, we are actually going to have to rotate this smaller shape so it matches the larger shape that came first.
Patching myself up.
I'll give you a little bit of time just to go ahead and copy this down.
Reloading.
And if you feel confident, I am going to be asking the class to tell me what y is. Okay?
You're gonna have to do this.
So, you know, if you want to go ahead, you can try to figure out what y is. I'll be finding x. You can find that too if you'd like. But let's all get this written down first.
Placing a portal.
Listen up, I'm getting shot at.
Getting shot at. Charging on my shields. This time I'm down. Just you and me now. Come on.
I need shields.
I'm down. Aquí, over here.
Enemy down. One break the rest of the two. Come on now. Reloading. Enemy taken out.
Attention.
Throwing jump pad.
Kill leader.
Charging shields.
Recharging my shields.
You know, everyone, when I do a problem like this, I am a visual learner, but I have a really hard time with shapes
Charging
that
on my
are
shields.
rotated. So, you know, you can use this technique if you like, but I'm actually just going to rotate this shape because I have no idea what it's going to look like if I don't. So, you know, I'm just going to rotate this shape and that will make everything line up. So, how would I rotate? I think I would flip it up
Actually got
One
hit.
break the rest
so it
of
would
the
look
two.
like this.
Come on now. Throwing some after me. Don't worry. I got a squad mate spanner.
In other words, I just want a miniature version of the big shape.
I won't tell anyone about this.
Okay, there we go. Now let's see if I can get my bearings here. Okay, so the smaller side is going to be 7, and the longer side is going to be 9. But I'm actually going to stop here. Let me just draw these into my little diagrams. So there's D, and there's angle E, and as I said, they are congruent, due to these being parallel. And the reason why I'm not going to think about angle C and angle B is because I actually have enough information to answer the question. So why do more work, right? This is a pair of angles that are congruent, another pair of angles that are congruent. That means we meet the AA postulate, and we therefore know that yes, these two triangles are similar. And again, for those of you that want to go above and beyond, you would say triangle ADC is similar to triangle AD.
Enemy down. Another enemy down. Enemy taken out.
It's looking good, you all.
Big up
I
to us.
think I have one more example. I'm going to put this on you all. I'm going to ask the class, please respond privately in the chat. And if you can show me that you've got a good handle on this AA similarity postulate, I'd say we can call it a day, because that means you're ready for the homework and you don't need any more help
Just
from
giving
me.
my shields a recharge.
So here we go, example number 3.
Just escape. 1 second.
Round 2.
They spotted me. I'm taking shots. Enemy down.
Let me at him.
I have come to save the day. The enemies are shooting at me.
This is called
Just
quadrant
escape.
2.
1 second.
This is called quadrant 3.
I have been down.
Listen up, I'm getting shot at.
And this one over here in the bottom right, this is called quadrant 4.
Reloaded. Patching myself up a bit. Look out, grenade.
I'm going to be using these quadrants to identify where points go, coordinate points. So, you know, if at any point you forget, just refer back to this. Also, there's a special X comma one. So you'll want to draw, you know, just kind of like a little crosshair like this. Again, this is called a
I killed an
coordinate.
enemy.
I've been down. Maybe contact the enemy.
Oh, yo, I'll keep an eye on the
Let's go, baby. I'ma make it. Aw.
Open the
Setting a fence. Fence them in. Fence them out.
knockdown shield here. Level 3.
Stupid backpack. Ah shit. Ah shit.
Receiving damage.
Just now.
Giving my shields a recharge.
I'm not wasting all the grenades for no reason.
Singularity deployed. Ranger car Tossing a grenade. Throwing an arc star.
Taking damage, friends. Giving my shields a recharge.
I can't see nothing because of this thermite.
Defense is complete. I'm in trouble. Shields recharging.
Oh, I hit someone.
Tossing thermite.
Wait, there's no one behind us.
There's no one behind us.
Recharging my shields.
Not. Fuck me. There's a second team.
There's someone behind us. There's a wall.
I know.
More fans are coming to kill us. There's another squad. Recharging shields.
Isaiah, fences.
Playing with fences.
Alright, that was a fucking bad fence, dude.
Fence in position. Reloading.
Dude, we're trapped in here.
Oh, jeez.
I'm using a phoenix kit.
Of course, there's a crossway.
Oh my gosh, someone's gonna touch us.
Enemy down. Recharging shields.
Trapped in here. Why did we go in here?
The next ring is far.
Hurry on me, bro. Damn. Different team?
Reload.
Two of us remain.
Hey, we're getting our lives right. I have to get our lives.
Hold on, don't push, don't push right now. I'm looking for a shield. I don't know why I haven't found it. Don't, okay, there you go. I'll go. Wait, I'm pretty.
You can't, they're on.
I'm getting
Oh.
shot at. Bang. Enemy down. Reloading. Enemy taken out.
Guys, you got to hurry up, hurry up.
Another
I'm
enemy
trying to go
down.
as fast as I can.
Reloading.
And I got teams.
Just giving my shields a recharge.
Going off right now.
Check it, third party, you know.
Bro, he just.
Go inside the building.
Boom, boom.
You get my car?
Go inside.
Reloading.
Yo, what gun is
Eyes
that?
up. Grenade. Reloading. Down one. Charging on my shields. Throwing jump pad. Opening fire on the enemy.
Warning. Ring movement in progress.
Great. Already inside the ring. Reloading. Down that one. Reloading. 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 Wow, looks like that was the last one in the squad. Okay, come on. Fair enough. You have to admit that was awesome.
Round 5. Beginning ring countdown.
I am repairing myself. Making contact with enemy. Hostile close. Shake a leg. We've only got a minute, and the ring's right there.
Great. The ring is close.
Less than a minute. Might be something good this way.
30 seconds remain. The ring is nearby.
Heads up, you're not alone. Getting shot at. It's go time! Hit the ejector seat. Charging shields. Come on, come on.
Warning. Ring movement in
I am
progress.
taking fire, friends. I can see. I am down. Fire in the hole. Whole squad in my... Must go faster. Yo, we got an airstrike coming down.
Beginning ring countdown.
Shot at. Un momentito, healing. Charging up my shields. Taking fire. 1 minute. Rings just around the corner. Must go faster. Charging shields. Come on, come on. Piece of advice. You'd be tougher to kill if you weren't so boring. Gotta make it to the ring and taking fire. Piece of advice. You'd be tougher to kill if you weren't so boring.
And that Victor wanted the power of the sacred objects promised by ancient scientists. He also wanted to harness the power of the elixir of life, and that would get that, like, he was kind of thinking of fame, glory, and honorable mentions and all that stuff, and honors, medals, and all that stuff. But
Reloading. Setting shield. Healing ya. Recharging my shield.
I am repairing myself.
Taking fire.
Enemy taken down.
Reloading.
Throwing Arc Star.
Reloading. Say one. Whole squad knocked.
Only one other squad left, friend. Let's win. 1 minute. The ring isn't far.
We've taken out the kill leader. Good work.
Great. The ring is close. Less than a minute. I am repairing myself.
Not far from the ring. Half a minute. Patching myself up a bit. Health run if you need it.
Seconds. The ring is fairly close.
Shooting. Just giving my shields a recharge. shields are recharged. We're not all in the ring. Check your position.
You are the Apex Champions.
That was the end of that squad.
That trades me rotten flesh for emeralds. I got really lucky.
Eat your
Sit down so you don't die by the creeper. What? Where'd it go? You saw a creeper, right?
Oh no.
Oh my god, alright. I was gonna come on. Dead. Carlos dead. 8 HP.
man.
I hate how much health left is.
Nothing more stinks.
Does anybody want to carry my action?
I have two chests left.
There's a
Carry my mini.
team in front of us.
You only had 5.
Hit one for 96. Uh-oh. I hit one for... I hit one for 96.
Where are they?
Where'd they go?
Right here.
Got the shield. Got him.
All of them?
One of them. I caught one of them. I hit one of them. I hit one of them with the...
Watch out.
They're up on the top area.
More marauders? Oh, people behind us!
Okay.
Oh, there's people, yeah, Jacob. You have to dip.
I hit him once.
Help!
Nice, throw more stinks.
I did. I don't have any AR ammo. I took another shield with a hunting rifle. I don't have any AR ammo.
Here, AR.
Stay right here. Stay right here. This is good.
I'm weak.
Oh, there's a kid right here.
I'm going on
Should we just play?
I'm going on top of him. You guys stay there. You guys stay there.
Oh, they're over there.
You guys stay there. You guys stay there.
Oh, crack! 25. He's like 10 HP.
Which one?
The one I marked, right there.
His teammates are gonna come for me now because I'm on him. Right here.
Crack.
Oh, they launched padded.
I blocked the launch pad.
Right here.
Nice. Hey, I don't want this. Anyone want it? Anyone want it?
I'm coming. Wait, you didn't kill him?
No, they're fighting over there. They went that way. Oh, there's a bush in front of me.
Wait, there's a guy.
Oh, you sniped him. Oh, why are you so far away from us? No. We're coming towards you, we're coming.
Why not?
Are you gonna come back? Come back?
I'm gonna try to get some shots while we're on the mountain. I see one. Knock.
Knocked one.
Finish.
Killed one.
There's like 3 on the bottom. Why is he calling everyone tryhards?
He said 30. He said 30.
Oh, exactly, tryhard. Officially tryhard. That was nice. You're the most tryhard as can be. I got so lucky when I freaking killed your friend. Clap the boys. He's probably OP, huh? Exactly. He's a tryhard.
You literally. Oh my god. Not you. I don't know if that's Matthew or Carly.
Fuck, I always hit your friend and then you fucking die. He's still alive.
No, my shotgun hit you for 20.
I just 100 pumped someone.
You 100 pumps. Nice.
I think it was Jacob.
I'm part of the tryhard league now, probably. Oh my god, this kid's so annoying. He was just camping. Oh my! You know what?
You're tryhard.
I knew it. You're tryhard.
I got 8 kills.
He's calling everyone. I know, cause you play too much.
I'm gonna listen.
Tryhard.
The Fortnite is gonna.
100%.
Yep. 100%. Frick, I was doing waterfall and...
Jacob and Carla.
What?
I'm sorry, I'm getting killed by you, and you got a free win.
What?
Oh no, bro, you said what you
Wait,
said.
what the fuck?
Dude! You always keep
I'm so
on me, dude. I swear to God. How do you do that?
Hi, bro.
Why are you shooting him?
I just respawned.
That wasn't me.
I'm at
4 HP right now.
Where's Andrew? I need him to give me a ride back.
Get some medical assistance, please, Hayden.
Yeah, I'll put you at about 60 HP.
No. Was there something just shooting at me or no?
No.
Yes, there was.
Go. Where are you?
No one's shooting at me. What do you mean?
Bro, where are you?
His name is Hayden Graybill.
I'm not shooting at anything.
He's shooting at me.